Discussed about binomial by binomial. So to try to recall the FOIL method, so we have here using the FOIL, so the first term 2a squared times a, then outer is 2a squared times 4b, then the inner is negative b squared times a, and on the last term is negative b squared times positive 4b squared. So what is 2a squared times a? So 1 times 2, that is 2a cube. 2 times 4 is 8, copy a squared b squared. Negative 1 times 1, that is negative 1, copy a b squared. So you are going to arrange this by commutative property. So b squared a is equal to a times b squared. So ab squared. So negative 1 times 4 is negative 4b squared. Now, to do, what have we noticed in our result? So since we don't have similar terms here, so we just, this is now our final answer. 2a cubed plus 8a squared b squared minus 4ab squared minus 4b to the power of 4. Now, so that would be our final answer. To multiply polynomials with more than two terms, so suppose we have here a binomial times a trinomial, so you can also apply distributive property, provided that you are going to split 5x and 3. So that becomes 5x multiplied to the trinomial, 2x squared plus 10x minus 6. Then positive 3 can also be multiplied by 2x squared plus 10x minus 6. So applying distributive property, so that is 5x times 2x squared, that is, we have a 10x cube. Then we have 5x times 10x, that is 50x squared. 5x times negative 6 is negative 30x. This is unlike side. So 3 times 2, that is 6x squared. 3 times 10, that is 30x. Then 3 times negative 6 is negative 18. So what have you noticed here? What have you observed? This time we have similar terms here. So 50x squared is similar to 6x squared. So if you are trying to collect similar terms, just copy 10x cubed, then 50x squared and 6x squared, that is 56x squared. So negative 30x or positive 30x, since what have you noticed? They are opposites. So adding opposites is equal to 0. So this is already equal to 0. Negative 30x. So we don't need to write 0x here. So this is already eliminated. So then bring down negative 18. So this is now our final answer. 10x cubed plus 56x squared minus 18. Now you can also write or solve using rectangular model. So what is our rectangular model? So we are going to write our multiplier here, 5x positive 3, then the multiplicand 2x squared plus 10x plus 3. So we have a table that is a 2 by 3. No? So we have 2 rows and 3 columns. So in this case, you are going to multiply 2x squared times 5x, that is 10x cubed. Then 2x squared by positive 3, that is 6x squared. 10x times 5, this is 50x. So you are going to align in this cell. Then 10x times 3 is 30x. Then negative 6 times 5 is negative 30x. Negative 6 times positive 3 is negative 18. So we've noticed that we have here the product. So we have 6 terms. Try to collect similar terms. So we have 10x cubed, 6x squared, and 50x squared are similar. So you are going to combine this. 30x and negative 30x is still similar, then minus 18. So 6x squared plus 50x squared, that is 56. Just bring down 10x cubed. Since negative 30 and positive 30x are opposites, so this is equal to 0. So you don't need to write 0, x or 0. So therefore, just bring down negative 18. So this is now our result. So still the same result with what we had before. This is a rectangular model because we are going to place our answer in our rectangle. Then you can also use this method just like what we did in multiplying whole numbers. So just multiply 3 by 2x squared by 10x by negative 6. And next, that is 6x squared plus 30x minus 18. Yes, that is 3 times 2, that is 6x squared. 3 times 10 is 30, then 3 times negative 6 is negative 18. Then 4, multiply 5x, that is 5x to 2x squared, that is 10x cubed. Now you've noticed that we have to align 5x times 10x to 6x squared. That is why we have to write this 10x cubed on the left side. So just align 50x times 10x, that is 50x squared. So align already in 6. Then 5x times negative 6 negative 30. So it is already aligned in 30. So that we can easily combine or add terms. So to combine, to add is we have 10x cubed, that is 50 plus 6, that is this addition. So do not add exponents. 56x squared. So 30x minus 30x is 0. X minus 18. So since we have here 0x, so this can be simplified, or you have to write your answer as 10x cubed plus 56x squared minus 18. So this is now our final answer.